The real name for Apple's budget iPhone 2020 is online. For a long time, one of the biggest mysteries of Apple's new budget iPhone was its name. Therefore, various publications and insiders referred to it as iPhone SE2 or iPhone 9. But a new rumor states that both names are actually incorrect. This was reported by 9to5Mac, which regularly shares truthful plums about Apple products. It said that the new budget smartphone will be called simply iPhone SE, and inside the company it is called iPhone 2020. Apple previously released the iPhone SE. It was a phone with an iPhone 5S case and an iPhone 6S processor. The device was very popular due to its price and power. Apple tricked buyers of the new iPad Pro 2020 model, but the new budget iPhone will already receive a case from iPhone 8, but the processor in it will be from iPhone 11, which is the most powerful today. The rest of the budget iPhone features will be similar to the 8th model. The smartphone will be delivered in white, black and red. The maximum memory is 256 gigabytes. The budget iPhone will have a price of around $399. This will make the phone the most affordable device from Apple. We previously said that the presentation of the all-new iPhone 12 can be postponed to 2021. All because of the coronavirus and the global crisis.